Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain hybrid architecture in distributed cloud computing, the features of IT infrastructure. So, move to the next slide. So, what is hybrid cloud? A hybrid cloud means using a mix of public cloud services like AWS and Google Cloud and private on non-permission services like your company's own server. Likewise, and key goals of a dynamic optimization, larger multiple environment of peak performance, robust and secure, and cost efficient. Hybrid cloud also integrate the flexibility and also integrate the dynamic optimizations. So now move to the next slide. Now move to the next slide. Why do you use both? Why do you use both hybrid cloud and public and private clouds? Public cloud flexible, cheaper for the scaling. Private cloud on secure, better for the sensitive data. So hybrid cloud and cloud gives a flexible and balances for evaluation of hybrid cloud and distributed hybrid infrastructure. Traditional hybrid cloud statics a mix of private and public cloud. So these and dynamic workload distributed cloud and data age related data. What is distributed hybrid infrastructure? Now the next steps after the hybrid cloud is distributed hybrid infrastructure. This means connecting cloud on a permissions and edge computing together. For example, edge computing devices on a server close to user like and sensor smart camera or a 5G towers. Uh, Hybrid cloud also makes everything works as a single systems. Now move to the next slide. Core features of distributed hybrid infrastructure. So seamless of integrations means workload can workload can move between a edge and cloud server without any issues. Uh, then next is a unfind management on a dashboard to manage everything. Likewise, and third is a dynamic resource allocation. AI decide the where to run on task or where to run on task best speed and cost. Then fourth is a enhance the security, use zero trust model and AI based and detections. So these are all about the core features of distributed hybrid infrastructure. So now move to the next slide. Now business benefits. Why should business adopt hybrid distributed cloud? Scalability and flexibility. First is can scale quickly when demand rises. Then performance. Tasks run closer to the user. Low latencies. Like wise scalability and flexibility, right? Then disaster recovery. If one server can fail, other keeps running, right? Cost and optimization save money by choosing where to run a workload. And fourth is a compliance. Keep a sensitive data in specific location, important for a banking and hospitals. Now move to the next slide, real world examples. Now move to the real world examples. I talk some industries already use this. AWS Outspot extend AWS to on a permission server for a low latency apps and also a 5G plus IoT. Hybrid clouds process tone of the sensor data and near the edges, right? Then smart cities and healthcare for a traffic of monitoring on a mobile health apps. So these mobile health app for useful for smart cities as well as healthcare. Financial trading needs of ultra fast speeds and hybrid helps to here. Now move to the next slide. This all about the AWS hotspots and 5G enables IoTs. Now move to the next slide. Challenges of beyond it. To make hybrid architecture work, we use visualization and connectors to Dockers and Kubernetes. Likewise, infrastructure as a code tools like terraphones. Security connectivity means VPN, SD-WANs, and lines of link wires. Automatic deployment cross cloud and edges. Now move to the now move to the next slide, challenges. But it is not always easy. Complexity, managing many systems and APIs. Security consistency means a policies of must working everywhere. Data synchronization issue means a delay the between cloud and edges, like uh, sender send the data from a users. Vendors look in a getting stuck with one cloud providers. Likewise. Now move to the next slide, futures of hybrid distributed cloud. What is coming next? AI driven automation, smarter workload placement, edge computing, and expensive more 5G based apps. Right? Multi cloud hybrid models, mix of AWS and Google Cloud. New standard, easier of interoperability and management. So these are all about the futures of hybrid distributed cloud. So AI driven automation, multiple cloud hybrid models, edge computing, expensive emergency standards. So these are all about the futures of hybrid architecture in distributed cloud. Now move to the next slide, conclusion. This all about the hybrid cloud. In short, hybrid architecture, in a short, hybrid architecture in distributed cloud computing gives a flexibility, performance, and security and cost saving. The future is distributed hybrid infrastructure connecting cloud edges and on a permission uh, into one power to the another systems. This is a foundation for the IoT real-time and analytic smart cities and digital infrastructure and transformations. So these are all about the hybrid architecture. Hybrid architecture optimize the performance, cost, and compliance, and static adoptions enable the innovation and IoT real-time analytics, and also is a digital transformations. Start a small average platform with a increasing the scale without a confidence. So these are all about the distributed cloud architecture. Thank you so much.